Hello dear fans. What is a galvanic cell? The structure of three different chemicals, combined in a specific way, is named for the 18th-century Italian scientist Luigi Galvani. He was the first to describe the phenomenon in which such a structure, a galvanic cell, generates an electric current. And today anyone begins to use them from childhood, without even knowing about it. Electric batteries are the most common of modern galvanic cells. In the general case, a galvanic cell is made up of two dissimilar metal electrodes, which are placed in a liquid or viscous medium and electrolyte. When the electrodes are connected through an external electrical circuit, a chemical reaction begins, in which electrons from one electrode flow to another, thereby creating an electric current. The electrode that loses electrons is the negative pole of the galvanic cell and usually consists of zinc or lithium. In an electrochemical reaction, it is a reducing agent, and the second electrode is an oxidizing agent. The positive pole of an element is most often made from magnesium oxides, sometimes from mercury or metal salts. The electrolyte in which the electrodes are immersed is a substance that does not allow electric current to pass through under normal conditions. However, when an electrical circuit is closed, it turns out to be between two poles and begins to disintegrate into ions, becoming electrically conductive. As an electrolyte, solutions or melts of acids and sodium or potassium salts are usually used. Structurally, modern galvanic cells represent a metal container in which metal meshes are placed, on which coatings of an oxidizing agent and a reducing agent are sprayed. The grids are filled with molten electrolyte, which then thickens. The ability of a galvanic cell to react electrochemically and generate current is lost over time, as oxidant and reductant supplies are depleted during operation. This happens not only when the electrical circuit is closed, but also as a result of various side reactions in an inoperative element. Due to these reactions, batteries have a limited shelf life and are inferior in durability to batteries. But on the other hand, they do not require constant maintenance, charging, and are much cheaper to manufacture. Today in the world about 10 billion pieces are produced annually. Thanks for watching.